Hello everyone. So I have planned to create a complete playlist on Python, and this will be the first video of my playlist. Now to learn Python, first we will understand the theory part, kind of line by line in details. Then we will do the coding in any platform. Uh, in the beginning stage, we will use Jupyter. Okay, now let's see how to download the Jupyter. To download that, you can write Anaconda download. So if you click it here, this URL will come in the first. Here you can see the download button. Just click here, it will be automatically downloaded. I will not do that because it's already installed in my machine. Now close it. Here you can type Jupyter, Jupyter Notebook app and click open. Depending on your Windows settings may be a little bit different, but this is very simple and you can do it. Okay. Now in the local browser it will start, and here in the right side you can see the new button. If you click it here in new and Python 3 IPY kernel, and one fresh Jupyter notebook will be open to you. Now these are known as cells. If you click plus plus plus, cells will be automatically added. Here you can see the untitled. Here you can rename it like our first video, our first class on Python. You can name it as per your choice. Then click on rename. Later on also you can rename. You can see that here name gets changed. Now if I want to print something, I'll show just a simple print. I can write whatever you want. I will write a quote of Mahatma Gandhi. Now if I click the run button, then it will run. It will execute. So you can see the output. Now here you can see that it is selected as a code. Suppose I want to tell what I am doing to others so that they understand what I am doing. So I just want to write that I am printing something. Now if I execute it, you can see that it will show as a error, syntax error, because it is treated as a code and there is no Python code like this. So what we have to do, we have to go and change it to as a markdown. Then you can see that it will be treated as a markdown instead of code. And second one thing we can do is that like printing a string. Now what we can do, if we just give the hash in the front, then also if you run, it will no show no error. And you just first explore Jupyter first so that you get comfortable with Jupyter. You can click here file, you can create new notebook, you can open an existing one, make a copy. Make a copy means if you click it here, then automatically a new notebook will be created. Not new, but the old codes will be there. So while doing research, you may need it as per your requirement. You can use, and then print save and checkpoint means in whichever checkpoint you are. Suppose here we are standing right now, and now if we click that save and checkpoint, so this checkpoint is saved. Like here it will be. Okay, let me show you again. Here it will be created as checkpoint created. At this time frame, the checkpoint is created. Now, if I want to write anything like print 2, then run it. And now I think no, I want to go back to that previous checkpoint. Then I can click revert to checkpoint. Like here you can see that time is showing. We created a checkpoint at 10:45. So if I click it on here, then it will be showing as that you want to revert to the last latest checkpoint. Yeah. Then they say that it cannot be undone. If you are pretty sure that you want to go back to the last checkpoint, then you can click on revert. So see the magic. So this is the way you can use Jupyter. And after you have done your coding, you want to share it with someone else, then you can go here, download the file as per your desired format and Suppose I want to download it as notebook. So if I click it here, it will be downloaded. Now you can share this. You can share it with anyone. You can upload this in your GitHub. You just explore, you will understand automatically how to cut cells, how to copy cells. Try to learn some shortcuts. Like suppose I want to insert a cell in between these two cells. Then what I will do? I will first select the cell here, and then I will click escape and A. Escape and A. Escape is the top leftmost button plus A. If you click this, then automatically one cell will be added just before the current cell. Or if you want to add any cell below it, then you can select a cell and then you can click on this. So it will insert a cell below. Or in a shortcut method, what you can do, suppose I am here and I want to add a cell below, click escape B. Okay. To add a cell just above your current cell, escape A. Just below your current cell, escape B. And there are many shortcuts like that. So it will be better if you learn those, then it will make things easy. Okay. Now I have already told you about Markdown and run. Okay. Run only the upper cells, then here you have many options, like if you want to run all the cells, if you want to run the above cells, or you want to run the below cells of your current cell. So as per your requirement you can use Jupyter. Okay, this is very easy to learn. Or if you don't want to install anything, Anaconda or anything, you can do the whole thing on online. There you don't need to run anything on your machine. So if you just uh, type this Google Collab, automatically this will come, and if you click on this, you just have to sign in to create a new notebook. And if you click a new notebook, just same like Jupyter, here also you can uh, I love collab. Click it here, it will run. This takes a bit time because this is online. You can see. So anything you can use, but we will use Jupyter. And if you don't have or you can't install Jupyter due to any reasons, then you can refer to Google Colab also. So this is all for today, and we have learned how to install Jupyter. Or if you can't install, then we can go for Google Colab. So download Anaconda if not possible, Miniconda. If that's also not possible, we you can do the coding part in Google Colab. So that's all for today, and we will meet in our next video, and we will study the reason behind the dominance of Python in the data science field, in the data professional field. Okay, bye for the day. If you like, please subscribe to my channel because a lot is going to come. Trust me.